Ang quote natin for today ay, gaano ka nga ba ka-sentimental? For this one, hindi siya yung tipo ng laruan lang. I mean, itong container na kasi nito, galing sa kapatid ko. So, feel ko hindi ko siya nabuksan ng 1 year or 1 year and a half year. Ito naman dalawa. Ito yung reason kami naglalagyan ko ng mga memory things ko, like basura. Kasi, I am still doing my junk journal. So, come check this guys with me. Dahil, papansin tayo, ihuhuli natin to. We have the first one, the container. Alam mo, special talaga yung mga things kapag nandito sa container kasi wala kang mapaglagyan. Let's open. Let's see what's inside. First one is the Salabat. Herbal Salabat Ginger Brew. Ginamit ko siya nung October. Binili sa akin pinili siya nung mga times na mag-MC ako. Kasi sobrang katinalamunan ko. Thank you, Misha. Sabi ko siya, nag-journal ako eh. Bakit nandito yan? Hindi ko alam. Ito yung pinag-inuman namin ng friends ko. Sobrang sentimental. Ito, scrunching Misha. May yan dito yung basura. Liters ni Misha. A receipt. Ano lang siya, receipt from Props. Yun lang. Let's proceed with the next one. Looks so antique. Oh, smells nostalgic. Nostalgia ba yun? Okay, the first one is here. Ooh. Mobile gaming finger sleeve. So, ginagamit ko siya dati kasi naglalaro ako ng pool, ganun. So, it came from Special One. And also, naging lock ko siya nung DSPC namin nung Vivac 2025. Vivac. Ito naman, galing kay Allison. Galing kay Allison. Personalized. I love you so much, Allison. Hindi ko alam kasi napulot ko siya. Napulot ko lang siya ng grade 10 ako and akala ko laro-laro lang and sabi ko, gusto ko matry. So, pinulot ko. And bottom up. Drink at will. Drink half cup. Sip. Bottom. Ano kaya to? Hindi ko kasi alam kung ano to eh. Next one. Bato. So, some might think na, yung OA mo naman, pati bato nilalagay mo sa sentimental, Ano pakialam mo? Kasi, hinahanap, galing ko sa mga tarama, nung nag-DSPC kami ng December 2025, kasi, wala lang, gusto ko lang, kasi, I was feeling down that time, kasi I wasn't satisfied with my work. Doon, natapos ko naman, thank God, natapos. But I wasn't satisfied, so, ako lang yung mag-isa doon and yung mga kasama namin is magkaklase or magkaibigan. So, ako lang yung different doon. So, I just stared at this rock and I was like, may sentimental value ka. Kukuhain ka, ilalagay sa lunchbox. So, yun, inuwi ko siya. And ito yung nagsisimbolize ng legacy ko doon sa mga taraw. Oh, the bookmark. Bookmark lang. Oh, the Lippy one. Lippy siya. The reason why I kept this, kasi ito yung binili ni nanay sa akin na Lippy during noong graduation ko ng grade 10. Binay, shout out! Next! Some lang, papers lang. Actually, ginamit ko siya pang cheat. String ring from guitar. Jologs. Kasi wala na akong gamitan ng string ko. So, made one. Yun lang, and let's proceed to the lesson. Very last and meaningful one. Parang feel ko almost 2 years ko siyang hindi nabuksan. So, I might get emotional. So, the very first one is ang pao ni Michelle D. Saan may pera? Next one. So, the bracelet. Since kami yung pinakadala sa student. Kami yung pinakadala sa student ni Ma'am Marina. Binigyan niya kami ng souvenir tokens. And ito, meron ba ako? I love you, Ma'am Mahina. Thank you so much. Shout out kay Ma'am Mahina dyan. Mama, palibre naman sa restaurant niya. Hey, so cute. Next. Tsaka. Picture ka lang. Grabe, nakakwenta. 100 guys. Magkakaroon ko na ng guys ako yun. Ito yung pinaka-last money na iniwan ni Pops for me. Thank you pa. Shout out. Nakalakas yung family picture. This is my mom. Tapos yung dad. Tapos ito. Ay. Kasi emotional kasi akong tao dati. So, everything na malungkot ako, I like to write my emotions down. And this is what I felt. It's also recent. I feel hard. First ang bag ko. Bag ko nga hindi napalitan 2 years ago pa yun. Ito yung ginawa ka ng crush ko ng grade 10 and then I kept it because I'm very sentimental and it is very special paper. Tapon yan. Jario. Okay. How do you love people? Just accept them. Complete acceptance is unconditional love. Sinabi niya yan. Sticker from One Piece from James. Sabi James talaga. I think pinaka-emotional na thing na kasi nung mga times na pumunta na si nanay sa Manila, she was cutting, nagka-cut siya ng mga pictures and sabi ko, Nay, bakit nagka-cut ka? Akala ko masama yan. Sabi ko kasi, siya nga yung nagsasabi na bawal akong mag-cut ng mga pictures. And then, she gave me this too, which is yung picture namin. And this too. Grabe talaga. Yan, receipt from my bag. Wala, ko lang ito. Hindi, wala. Did we really find each other? Were we the victim? Were we the victims, or are we just two souls forever destined to be apart? Scratch lang siya. Gumawa ka ata ng wala ng rated. Kwenta, ano kwenta, tapusin yung video. Yung bracelet, binili siya ni Darwin. Next time Darwin, bibili ko game copper. Love you. Sobrang ganda. Red girl. This is bracelet na binigay ni Ivy and ni, okay. Ito yung bracelet na binigay ni Ivy before nung, as farewell gift. So, binigyan niya kami lahat. I didn't get a chance to wear it. So, I will wear it now. Okay. Red girl. Kinala lang pag-game girl. This is the pencil na Mom Maris gave us nung grade 10. So, meron tayo, inakasulat, thank you, Mom Maris. Nung cookery namin, so actually, practice teacher namin siya nung grade 9 kami. Paper, star anise. Star anise, yung putik. Star anise. Ano siya? Actually, tatlo yan naman. May aisle, tapos ito love, tapos may do. Ginawa ko siya sa may nakausap ko ng internet. Not me. The letters, daming letters kasi. So, this was supposed to be the letter for Ma'am Marian. Practice teacher natin namin siya sa English when we were in grade 9. I wrote this letter kasi I was expecting na pupunta siya sa recognition namin kasi sinabihan na namin. But sadly, hindi siya nakapunta kasi may important event siyang kailangang puntahan. Tapos ito sa school. Isn't exactly where you want to be. Alam, may manok. When the ink is faded, do memories disappear too? Use me. From Special Song. I'm obsessed with the cringe. Feel ko itong the rest ng letter to is about how I was deeply in love and deeply hurt. So, dati kasi I was a mess. I was a very mess girl. Merong isa na dumating where, bakit siya share? Merong isa na dumating na nagbigay talaga ng sobrang laking impact sa buhay ko and sa mga lessons din dapat kong malaman. So, last heartbreak ko, I was in grade 9 and up until now, grade 12 na ako. Can't really let that go. It's crazy how one person can change you entirely. A poem that I made. Minahal kita sa gusto kong paraan. Minahal kita nang di mo kailangan. Wow, what a poet. Adik yun. Bakit pa kailangan dumanas ng hirap kung tutuusin ay paghihirap ng pamumuhay? Okay. Another long message naman pero hindi makagawa ng simple essay. Manas, would you go with me without? Hoping I don't want to what else. Oh. Well, binakat mo yan, no? Letter? Ang letter from I think February. So, yung may 29 yung February, sabi ko dito. I hope you're succeeding in your life na. Guess what? You're wrong. And, kulit. Ano siya? Picture namin ng Beaten. Actually, performance task namin. So, mali lang na-print kasi supposedly dapat nakaprint siya sa hard paper. Pixie cut! Tula ako ng grade 10. Meron pa. Additional meron pa. Yung sa work immersion, tapos napaprint ako ng picture. Sabi ko, paano po ng picture? Sabi ko, tapos sobrang hinang. Salamat ate sa makapal na blush. Buti lang hindi ko nagamit. Last one. Ito yung ng December. Nung may snapture dun sa Baywalk. And we did some kind of fun. And dito lang yung mga times na naging confident ako sa sarili ko. Hindi ako na-insecure kasi I am with them. And always choose the right friends, everyone. Ito solo picture lang kasi papansin pang ako eh. Gusto kong matry yung mga So, yun lang. I wanna thank you guys for still watching me again. And, adieu.